is Section 420 IPC Bailable vertical bar cheating and fraud case, punishment. Definition. As per IPC for cheating, Section 420 talks about this offense which is committed by the person who cheats another person and thereby induces the deceived to deliver any property. This provision provides punishment for the same. According to the IPC for cheating, Section 420 states that whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly induces the person deceived to deliver any property to any person, or to make, alter or destroy the whole or any part of a valuable security, or anything which is signed or sealed, and which is capable of being converted into a valuable security, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description, for a term which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. IPC for cheating, i.e., Section 420 IPC bailable or not? The offense is cognizable and non-bailable. 51. Essential elements of Section 420, case details cheating. Dishonest inducement to deliver property or to make, alter or destroy any valuable security or anything which is sealed or is capable of being converted into a valuable security, and mens rea of the accused at the time of making the inducement. Making of a false representation is one of the essential ingredients to institute the offense in IPC for cheating under Section 420. In order to bring a case for the offense in IPC for cheating Section 420, it is not merely satisfactory to prove that a false representation had been made, but it is further necessary to prove that the representation was false to the knowledge of the accused and was made in order to deceive the complainant. Only then an IPC for cheating Section 420 can be invoked. Cheating? The term cheating has been defined under Section 415 of the Indian Penal Code. The element of cheating must be present in every offense IPC for cheating under Section 420. And does Section 420 IPC bailable or not? And as per the Section 420 case details or facts will confirm whether the case is of cheating or not. Section 415 of IPC states that whoever, by deceiving any person, fraudulently or dishonestly induces the person so deceived to deliver any property to any person, or to consent that any person shall retain any property, or intentionally induces the person so deceived to do or omit to do anything which he would not do or omit if he were not so deceived. And which act or omission causes or is likely to cause damage or harm to that person in body, mind, reputation or property, is said to cheat. For example, Section 420 case details. There are two persons A and Z. A exhibits the false sample of an article to Z and intentionally makes Z believe that the article corresponds with the sample. A here induces Z to buy and pay for the false sample of the article. A cheats Z. A, by pledging as diamond articles which he knows are not diamonds, intentionally deceives Z, and thereby dishonestly induces Z to lend money. A cheats? Note, by above mentioned examples we can know the base of a case whether the case has the base of cheating or not, which tends to us the Section 420 case details or facts confirms the nature of the case. Like in the second example, a cheats Z for money, then this is the case of cheating and the sentence for it would be as per money cheating case punishment in India. Acting dishonestly. Section 24 defines what is acting dishonestly. When the doing of any act or not doing of any act causes wrongful gain of property to one person or a wrongful loss of property to a person, the said act is done dishonestly. The dishonest act must be done to wrongfully gain possession of a property or to cause loss of the same to the victim. The property here does not only include money or assets but also anything that can be measured in terms of money. Property. The word property may basically be defined as all things which can be measured in terms of money. The said thing should be capable of being possessed by a person for the exclusive use or enjoyment as owner of that thing. The property cheating cases are also done for monetary benefits, so the sentence must be as mentioned for money cheating case punishment in India. Fraudulently. Section 25 defines the term fraudulently. It says that a person is said to do a thing fraudulently if he does that thing with intent to defraud but not otherwise. Mens rea. Mens rea is a legal phrase which is used to define the mental state of a person while committing a crime, and that should be intentional. It can refer to a general intent to break the law or a specific prearranged plan to commit a particular offense. A criminal prosecutor must show beyond any reasonable doubt to convict an accused person that the suspect actively and knowingly contributed to a crime that affected another person or their property. How cheating is to be proved, Section 420 Case Details. You have to prove that there was an intention to cheat at the time of making the misrepresentation, and this fact is to be proved on the basis of all the subsequent conduct. As acts and omissions of the accused. Therefore, all the acts and omissions of the accused must be clearly and legibly set out right from the date of making a false representation, till the filing of the complaint. As per the IPC for cheating, it must be shown that there is a failure of the promise which was made. It is also necessary to prove that those promises were made with fraudulent intent. It must be shown that there was no effort on the part of the accused to perform his promise. The test of prudent man must be applied to appreciate the evidence on record and invoke the case. Who is a prudent man? A prudent man is a wise man but may not be a genius. A prudent man who is not in haste.